Want to make informed financial decisions without the hassle? Use our net worth and liquidity analysis template in Excel. This powerful tool provides a professional and dynamic analysis of your company's net worth and liquidity. With clear data and automated charts, you can easily interpret key ratios and take control of your financial health. The analysis of net worth and liquidity is essential for assessing the financial health of any project, business, or startup. These metrics help you understand an organization's ability to meet short and long-term obligations while providing insight into the structure of its assets and liabilities. Modules of the Net Worth and Liquidity Analysis template in Excel. Initial setup. Customize the template to fit your needs. It supports up to 9 currencies: dollar, pound sterling, euro, Argentine peso, Chilean peso, Colombian peso, bolivars, quetzales, and Peruvian sol, allowing you to set the starting year and project or company name for flexible, tailored financial configurations. Account management. Manage and classify all asset and liability accounts with unlimited entries. This module is designed to streamline the accounting structure used in the registration and analysis modules. Asset data entry. Record detailed monthly transactions for asset accounts and sub-accounts. The intuitive structure simplifies account selection and logging for seamless analysis in the dashboards. Liability data entry. Similar to the asset module, this section allows you to log monthly data for liability accounts and sub-accounts, ensuring precise control for generating reports and charts. Asset and liability report. This module provides a consolidated summary of the data entered in the asset and liability modules. It offers a clear, organized view of financial information, making it easy to identify key trends and patterns. Dashboard. Built on the data from previous modules, this graphical panel lets you visually analyze total assets, liabilities, net worth, liquidity ratios, and their trends over time, delivering a comprehensive and dynamic view of your company's financial health. Optimize your project or business's financial management with our net worth and liquidity analysis template in Excel. Download now and take charge of your finances with a professional, user-friendly tool.
Template available at Solis Enterprises. Visit our websites excelprojectsaj.com and en.solisenterprisesstore.com.